Folks, it's me Hristo from ExiArts channel, and what you see here is the amazing autumn of the Rhodope Mountain, Bulgaria. I'm now in the village of Gela, and I just released my drone. I flew my drone for a couple of minutes, like maybe 10 minutes, and I just wanted to show you another video from ground view. As you can see, today is it's very lovely autumn, and today I'm not sure. Let me check. It's October 10th. See the rosehips. I am planning to gather now these rosehips, and I'm gonna dry them. They are very good for tea in the winter. One of the best recipes for younger skin, if you want to know, is tea from rosehips. It's very full of vitamin C and other very good things inside. And over there is the Perelic Ridge, Perelic and Karlak Ridge, and this is Turlata Peak. I've shown you, those of you who know, Perelic is the highest peak in the Rhodope Mountain, and Turlata Peak is one of the ancient Thracian fortresses, very old, thousands of years old. And the lovely village of Gela, there are a lot of guest houses and hotels, and as you can see, this hotel is with the traditional tile stone roofing, and the other part, the ones over there, these are with grass roofing, modern houses with grass roofing. This is not advertising, I'm just showing. I don't know the name of this hotel. I'm just showing the nice buildings in the village and the lovely amazing colors of the autumn. And like 4 or 5 days ago, there was snowing on only on the highest parts of the mountains. In my town of Smolen did not snow. Also here in Gela it snowed very less, and in the last couple of days it melted already. So they say it's gonna be milder weather in the next weeks, October and beginning November. So most probably the first snow will be melting soon in the next days. And now soon, after I gather some rosehips, I'm gonna go home. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Hristo, and I am from Bulgaria, from the town of Smolen, and from this very beautiful mountain called the Rhodope Mountains. You can see the chapel behind me over there. And please subscribe, like and share this video if you like mountain and nature content. And also please comment below what you think about this beautiful mountain. Thanks for watching.